Hi guys, it's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. The setup is a little bit different, but we're going to roll with it. Today's video is all about the Oliver sweater. I got it on right now. The Oliver sweater is by Seamwork. It is a pattern that they released a few months ago, and I already had my winter fashion mood board done when they released this pattern. And I was like, I need to switch something out so I could put this one in because I really liked the style. It is a boat neckline with lantern sleeves for a bit of the dramatic, as they write in their pattern description. The sizes are very inclusive as always, 0 up to 26. And it's a very easy make. You can make this in a day, in a few hours. They have some supplies and notion. So an all-purpose polyester sewing thread, ballpoint needle for your machine because you're sewing stretch. They have the knit stays tape. That is what I have right here. That is something that you put on the shoulder seams. And knit interfacing. The fabric suggestions are a medium width knit fabric with at least 10% stretch, such as French terry, a ponte, a double knit, or a sweater knit. This is a sweater knit. This fabric is from budgetstoffen.nl. I bought it a few months back. I made size 2, that is the regular size that I usually make from Seamwork. I think I counted the steps to success and they are 25. The only thing that where I went, there are two issues. One is I don't know which is the front or the back on this sweater. So when people tell me, I think your shirt is inside out, I just turn it around because I really don't know. I really don't know. I didn't mark it correctly, and I feel like the front and the back were the same. No, they weren't the same, but I did something that wasn't really supposed to. So, hey. There's no shame in my game, people. There's no shame in my game. So that was an issue. And the other issue is I usually extend my sleeves a little bit because I want to avoid the high waters in terms of the length of my sleeves. And this time I did extend it for, I think, 3 centimeters. No, at least I think 2 centimeters, but it wasn't enough. So that's why I made the cuff, which is what you see right here. And that is because it was way too short and I wasn't feeling comfortable with it. Alright, you guys, so Mrs. Buitenbeentje reporting back. So I have both of them on, but the emphasis is on the top right now. So let's go over there. Let's see. This is what I'm talking about. This is my Oliver top right here. It is with lantern sleeves. And I spoke about the cuffs and a boat neckline. I like the color. Green has become one of my favorite colors nowadays. I mean, green and yellow, you can wake me up for green and yellow. So the skirt, I styled it with my skirt. The skirt is the Leonora, but I'm going to go in depth in another video. I styled it again with my Ace sock boots. And hey guys, I am feeling myself. As always. Yeah, so this looks bomb. This looks really bomb. Excuse my mirror. It has seen cleaner days. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey, and have a great day. Bye.